Live for it. Die for this, all we know, man. Y'all was sworn in it, I was born in it. This all I know. Fake firm, so cemented. This all I know. If I try and stop, I'll be tormented.
What's up?
What's down?
We don't know, but we about to find out.
My name is RJ.
My name is Eli, and this is Floki. You about to learn something.
Yeah, we're gonna teach you something.
This all I know. Hey, this all I know. This all I know. I said this all I know.
Oh, I didn't see you there. I was just doing some multiplications. Do you know why? Because it helps you with partial products. But if you don't know multiplication, don't watch this video. This is partial products. It might look hard, but it's pretty easy. Partial product will help you get it right every time if you keep everything organized. Now let's pull out the guts out of this problem to see what's really going on.
All I know. Hey, this all I know. This all I know.
Now you start in the ones place. You multiply 2 times 2, which equals 4. Now we move over to the 10th place. The 4 is not just a 4, it's a 40. So now it's 40 times 2. Let me show you a trick. Only with the zeros. Multiply 4 times 2, which is 8. Then you just move the 0 over, or a copy. Now you add your 4 and your 80. And you bring it over here. It doesn't matter if the 80 is on the top and the 4 is the bottom, or the 4 on the top and the 80 at the bottom, because it's addition. Now you're adding 4 plus 80. Four plus 0 equals 4. And 0 plus 8 equals 8. Now you get your answer, 84. Now you just pull the guts out of this problem.
All I know. Hey, this all I know. This all I know.
Hey guys, my name is Elijah Jones, and I'm going to be showing you the introduction to partial quotient. But I know what you're thinking. Is not 98 divided by 5. It's how many groups of 5 can you get out of 98. So let's get to it. Always remember to have your groups, because you're going to need them. Now always remember to write your divisor first, or you'll get it all mixed up. So let's try 5 times 10 equals 50. But I think we can get a little closer to 98 without going over. Never, ever go over the dividend. So let's try 5 times 12 equals 60. I think we can get a little closer to 98. So let's try 5 times 100 equals... Hold on, I'm going to show you a little trick. Because I know you don't feel like going on paper, figuring out little problems, and you might get that wrong. So I'm going to show you a trick. Grab your first two numbers and multiply them together. So 5 times 1 is 5. Then what you want to do is bring your 2 zeros over, and you have 500. And that's way over 98. Way over. So let's try 5 times 20 equals, do the trick again, 5 times 2 equals 10. Bring the 0 over, and that's 100. We're close, but we're still over. So let's go back to one of these that we already did, and let's try 5 times 12. So remember, keep the groups. We're going to write our groups over here, which is 12. So we're going to write 60, our answer, that we got out of 5 times 12. And we got to put a subtraction sign, because they don't know, or you're going to get confused of should you subtract it, or multiply it, or add it. Always put your subtraction sign. So we're going to make a line. And can we take 0 from 8? No, we can't, because we're not taking anything from it. So we're just going to bring our 8 down. No longer. And we can take 6 from 9. And how many will we have left? 3. So now we're left with 38. So let's come back to our groups and see if we can get close to 38 without going over. So let's try all these numbers, or all these answers, as you would say, are too high. So let's go low into the single digits and try 5 times 6 equals 30. But I think we can get a little closer to 38 without going over. So let's try 5 times 7 equals 35. We got close, but I think if we go 1 over, it's going to be too much. So let's try 5 times 7. Remember, always put your groups. And let's put 35. Line, subtraction sign. And if we take 5 away from 8, how many are we left with? 3. If we take 3 from 3, we're left with 0, of course. So we have the remainder of 3. Put an R next to it, because the first letter of remainder. If you don't, you'll get confused and use it as your answer. So let's come down and add our groups. I'm not going to tell you how to do this, because if you're doing partial quotients by now, you should know addition. So we have 19, and this is our answer. So we can pull 19 groups of 5 out of 98 and have the remainder of 3. And that's our answer. 19, right? 19 with the remainder of 3. So that's it, guys. This is the introduction to partial quotients.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Like.
Peace. Y'all was sworn in it, I was born in it. This all I know. Fake firm, so cemented. This all I know. If I try to stop, I'll be tormented. This all I know. So black boy, we gon' see some niggas break a lot of bread and feed God children. This all I know. This all I all I know. This all I know. That's it. This all I know. Hey, this all I